trying to get it out. I can't grab it right.
I mean, you can try. I wouldn't. He's got a mask.
That's a lot too small. Oh man, that hurt. Got it right in the time.
What's the matter?
Don't worry, I got it.
I'm kind of in a good. Hey, watch out! There's a guy spraying. There's a guy spraying.
Yeah. No, we haven't punched yet. There's guys that ones over here that are cutting me off. Barry Wood.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Yeah, and that kill house over there. Oh, let's see what they're doing.
Wood, right here.
Hey, if you look at the building by the left, that's like.
And here we have our most handsome ref. Oh, yeah. Some shit.
Tim, wind up! What? Bro, stop wasting so much ammo!
I'm not. I'm shooting at people.
Sorry.
My rocket's still
My bad, I'm sorry.
Okay. I cannot think of this. I need to push button.
Oh shit, that G28?
Yep.
Nice. I'm gonna follow you.
I'm just testing it out. I just installed HPA the other day.
Oh, nice.
I'm trying to make sure fucking it actually works. So far, I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah?
I just kind of perfected trying to get that shit down and dialed in. It's not even close.
Over there, like with the new GoPros,
Yeah.
and they have a hyper smooth function. So even if I'm running, it stays
It tries
straight.
to stay stable. Yeah,
No, it does stay stable.
it does.
Yeah, I rode it. I used it while riding a dirt bike, and even with all the bumps and shit in the mud, it was still straight. It didn't bounce at all. Alright, we'll get back to the action. Good luck with that thing, man. I'm crossing in front of you.
What's inside?
Who is it?
My brother wouldn't even let me have my own mask.
Oh, a tiny ass scope, man.
Huh, yeah, I know. It's my friend's. Oh, no, it's not my friend's. Yes!
I don't know if my brother
Did you hit someone?
Yeah.
Nice. Good shot.
I really wish my brother would give me the mask that I own.
Where are you?
And if you come right where I'm standing, you see a guy. Hey, come right where I'm standing. Look straight ahead. See him right there, straight ahead.
Wait, you're a Boy Scout?
Huh?
You're a Boy Scout?
Eagle Scout.
What?
Eagle Scout.
Oh.
That was 8 years ago.
The hell is that? Faith?
Yep. We'll walk this way. Move.
Boom. Bang. All your hits. Call it.
I'm a film crew. I don't need to call my hits. Maybe. Yeah, this guy's yelling at me. What do you mean he'll be alright? What about me? The best field of any airsoft field. Staring at my privates.
Fucking see anyone, bro. They're getting shot really everywhere.
My coil is burnt to shit. I gotta change it up.
Left side. They're moving left side. We'll run back. Go. Watch your left.
Is that friendly? Is that?
Our guys put up to the skill box.
Still got one on the fence line back there. Come on, boy. You've been hit. Another one went into the woods there on the left. Smoke! Is that chemical?
That's ours.
I just got another one. Quick. Come on, man. There's 3 now in the woods, and 2 of them just got hit this call.
Huh?
Come on! I love how you flinch. No call.
Which guy? Which guy are you trying to hit?
Huh? He called it.
Oh.
He ended up walking back. I guess someone else might have hit him.
We can revive, right? If we're medic.
I am a film crew. I do not have any impact.
Dude, guys, with the arm. There's one right to the left of you.
Hey, bud. Can you move to your left a little bit?
Sorry. Look. Defense of the fort.
You have ammo and you have your spot. If you're commanding everyone to run except yourself.
Not a whole lot.
30 seconds left.
Oh, so you put down. I don't care. Bro, yeah. You can't stand the shot down there.
The rest of the other team is like right behind the fort in front of them. The rest of the other team is like right in the fort right in front of them. And like maybe 6 guys left.
Ceasefire, that's game! Ceasefire, that's game!